Today I'll talk about Google Coding and OpenMRS. Google Coding is an online competition for pure university students of age 13 to 17 years. This competition is hosted by Google. Google in this competition partners with other open source organizations that give tasks to the students. As the students complete this task, they get various prizes like certificates, t-shirts, hoodies, and the top 2 students in each organization get a free trip to Google headquarters. Every year, various open source organizations take part in Google Coding. One of them is OpenMRS. OpenMRS is a collaborative open source project to develop software to support the delivery of healthcare in developing countries. The OpenMRS code is based on concept dictionary that describes all the data items that can be stored in the system such as clinical findings, laboratory test results, or socioeconomic data. OpenMRS has been participating in Google Coding and Google Summer of Code for last several years. OpenMRS and different organizations give tasks to the students based on coding, documentation, quality assurance, outsourced research, and designing. Taking part in Google Coding has various benefits. It prepares you for your future if you take computer science as your field. It enhances your knowledge. You learn new things and test your coding, designing, etc. skills. It introduces you to open source. And the last, which is the most important point, is that you get prizes for the work you do. You get certificate if you do at least one task. You get t-shirt if you do 3 tasks. You get hoodie if you come in the top 5 students in any of the organization, and you get a free trip to Google headquarters in California if you are in the top 2 students in any organization. The eligibility criteria for Google Coding is that you should be of age 13 to 17 years and you must be enrolled in pre-university program when you register for the contest. Thank you.